Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to lock Twitter account. So let's get into it. First of all, open Twitter. Tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Select Settings and Privacy from the menu. Now tap on Privacy and Safety. Click Audience and Tagging. In the Protect Your Tweets section, toggle on the slider. Your tweets and account information will now be seen only by your followers and you will need to approve any new follower request. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.